Friends, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Nadiksha.
Myself Nadiksha from class 10D standard. Today I am here to play role as teacher in front of you. And today our topic is polynomials. What is our topic?
Polynomials.
Polynomials, which is related to our subject maths. Related to our subject
Maths.
So friends, to understand this topic polynomials, we should know about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? It is the combination. It is the combination of constants and variables with the help of arithmetic, operations. So friends, algebraic expression, it is the combination of constants and variables with the help of arithmetic operations. So here the question arises, what are constants and what are variables? So constants may include any numeric value. It may include any numeric value. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now variables. Variables include A, B, C and so on. Now we will come to our topic polynomials. So friends, polynomials. Polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression in which power of variable is a whole number. So friends, what is polynomials? An algebraic expression in which power of variable is a whole number. So now we will study about the types of the polynomials. Polynomials are divided into two types. How many types?
Two types.
First one is on the basis of terms. And second one is on the basis of degree. So friends, on the basis of terms, polynomials are further divided into three types. First one is monomial. Second one is binomial. And third one is trinomial. So on the basis of terms, polynomials are divided into three types. How many types?
Three types.
First one is
Monomial.
Second one is
Binomial.
and third one is
Trinomial.
So what is monomial? It is monomial contains only one term. How many terms?
One term.
For example, x, 2y, 4z. So friends, you can see that there is only one term. First one is x, second one is 2y and third one is 4z. So we can say that it is a monomial. Now binomial. Binomial contains two terms. How many terms?
Two terms.
For example, 2x plus y. Here you can see that there are two terms. First one is 2x and second one is y. So it is a binomial. Now trinomial. Trinomial contains 3 terms. How many terms?
3 terms.
For example, 4x plus 3y plus 1. So here you can see that there are 3 terms. First one is
4x,
second one is
3y,
and third one is
1.
Now we will study about polynomials on the basis of degree. On the basis of
Degree.
So on the basis of degree, polynomials are of 4 types. Are of
4 types.
first one is linear, first one is
Linear,
second one is quadratic, second one is
quadratic,
third one is linear, third one is
linear,
and fourth one is biquadratic. Biquadratic. So friends, on the basis of the degree, polynomials are divided into 4 types. First one is linear, second one is quadratic, third one is cubic. Here will come cubic. Third one is cubic and fourth one is biquadratic. Now we will study about linear. So friends, the polynomial which contains 1 degree. For example, 3y, 4x. Here you can see that there is only 1 degree. There is 1. So we can say that it is the linear polynomial. Now quadratic. Quadratic is the polynomial which contains 2 degree. For example, 2x square plus 4. Here you can say that there are 2 degree because the power of the x is a whole number. Now cubic. 3x cube plus 4y plus 1. There are 3 degrees. So we can say that it is a cubic polynomial. Now biquadratic. It contains 4 degree. Here you can see that the highest term is 4, means highest degree is 4. So we can say that it is biquadratic. So that's all about my topic. I hope you understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.